Hello guys, today we are here at Auto Cluster Center, Pimpri Chinchwad, and we are officially invited here for the launch of Tata Ace Pro. Let's see what's going on.
A celebration of legacy, progress and possibility. Today we are here to be a part of the movement that began 2 decades ago.
We'll take a quick test drive and explore the design, features and technical details that make the Ace Pro a strong option for small businesses and urban logistics. Visually, the Ace Pro keeps it compact and tough look. The new grille, larger bumper and halogen headlamps give it a practical appearance. Inside the cabin, it's simple and functional, with good visibility and easy access controls. So vehicle is fully loaded. Now I am stepping inside the vehicle and I'll take test drive. The Tata Ace Pro EV is powered by PMSM Motors, producing 29 kW of power and 104 Nm of torque. It runs smooth and silent with a top speed of 50 km per hour. The electric variant offers certified range of 155 km. Ideal for urban delivery routes, the EV has front disc brakes, rear drums and regenerative braking for the better energy use. Suspension includes MacPherson studs in the front and the semi-trailing arms in the rear, ensuring stable handling even on the rough patches. The Ace Pro EV handles slopes confidently with a gradability of 21%. In the tight spaces, the minimum turning circle radius of 3.75 meters helps make quick U-turns and avoid traffic blocks with ease. Front disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, while the suspension soaks up uneven roads, keeping the cargo steady. Whether loaded or empty, the ride feels controlled. All three variants, EV, BiFuel and Petrol, shares the same dimension: 3560 mm length, 1497 mm width and 1820 mm height. Ground clearance stands at 170 mm in loaded condition. The tire size is 145R12, designed to handle mixed urban and semi-rural roads. The loading deck supports a payload of up to 750 kg, which makes it great fit for the daily goods transport. So overall the driving experience is very good. Steering is very hard to drive because it is not power steering they have provided. This is an EV vehicle, so I have 2 pedals to operate. One is accelerator and brake. This is the gear shifter. Battery indicators, these 3 buttons they have provided, so we can adjust as per our requirements. This is the headlight adjuster and digital cluster they have provided. The cabin comes with a digital instrument cluster, charging socket and additional air conditioning for the added comfort. The seats support driver plus 1 layout, suitable for 2 adults. Steering is mechanical rack and pinion, light enough for the city condition. The BiFuel variants run on the CNG and produces 25 horsepower and 51 Nm of torque. It uses TA59 gearbox, also found in petrol model, and offers low running cost and clean operations. The petrol variant produces higher power output of 30 horsepower and 55 Newton meters of torque, tuned for smooth pickup and flexibility. Both versions shares the same body structure, wheels, suspension and braking system as an EV model. All Ace Pro variants come with a warranty of 72,000 km or 2 years. The EV battery is covered up for the 1,75,000 km, ensuring peace of mind for the long-term use. The new Tata Ace Pro offers smart options for the different needs, whether it is a clean electric mobility, cost-efficient CNG, or a dependable petrol. With a strong payload capacity, compact size, and trusted Tata reliability, it's built to serve India's business owners across sectors.